Hello 7th class, a very good morning to all of you. I hope you are doing very well. In previous class we did fractions and some operations with them, specifically multiplication and division. In today's class I will be dealing with decimals. In decimals we will be doing expanded form of decimals, then comparison of decimals, addition and subtraction, multiplication and division with decimals. We will be covering them one by one. First is expanded form of decimals. In previous class we have done expansion for whole numbers. Suppose we had a number this, then we know that this is your ones place, this is your tens place, this is your hundreds place, and this is your thousands place. Alright. Now we will be doing the same place value expansion for decimals. We will try to understand with one example. Suppose we have 432,347.123, right? For left hand side of decimal, it will be same as for whole numbers, ones, tens, hundreds, thousands, and so on. On right hand side of decimal, we will be starting with tenth, T-E-N-T-H, tens place. The next will be hundredth, H-U-N-D-R-E-D-T-H. We will add T-H, T-H. Hundredth place. Next will be thousandth place, and so on. Again, for place value expansion of decimals, on right hand side we will start from tenth and continue with hundredth, thousandth, and so on. On left hand side of decimal, it will be same as before. We will start with ones, tens, hundreds, and thousandth. Now, how can we expand a decimal? How can we write a decimal in expanded form? Okay. We will start with 2. This is at thousands place, so multiply with thousands, plus 3 is at hundreds place, 3 multiply with hundreds. Then 4 is at tenth place. Then 7 plus 7 into ones place. Then we came on to right hand side 1. This is tenth. Tenth means 1 by 10. Tenth means 1 by 10 plus, I will write it here, 1 into 1 by 10th. Okay? Tenth will be 1 by 10. Hundredth will be 1 by 100. Thousandth will be 1 by 1000, and so on. Plus 2 is at hundredth place. It means into 1 by 100, plus 3 into thousandth place, the 1 by 1000, and so on. We will take one more example. Suppose I want to write 0.543 in decimal, in expanded form. So 0 is at ones place, so 0 into 1, plus, then we will move on to right hand side of decimal. 5 is at tenth place, so 5 into 1 by 10 plus 4 is at hundredth place. Hundredth means 1 by 100 plus 3. 3 into 1 by 1000. 1 by 1000 and so on. Similarly, we can write expanded form for more decimal. Next is comparison for decimals. Comparison for decimals. Suppose we have two decimal numbers, 3.4 and 3.5. Okay, what we'll do, we have two methods. First one is by place value. Okay, we will start from left hand side and then we will move on to right gradually. First, we have in both the numbers, we are starting from ones place, so we will compare ones place. Ones place, both are 3, both are same, it means we will move on to next one. Next one we have 4, 10th place 4 and 5. Which one is greater? 5 is greater, it means 3.4 is less than 3.5, or we can say that 3.5 is greater than 3.4. We will take one more example. Suppose we have 75.1 and 85.1. So what we will do? We will start from left hand side. Left hand side we both have ones and 10th. Ones and 10th place. So 10th place. 10th place means 7, 8. Which one is greater? 8. It means this number is greater than this number. आपको आगे जाने की जरूरत नहीं है. No need to continue on right hand side. No need to check for more place values. We will take one more example. 12.3, 1.23. Okay. In this we have only ones place. In this we have ones and 10th place. It means we will start with 10th place comparison. 10th place we have 1. Here we don't have anything, or we can say we have 0. 1 is greater than nothing. 1 is greater than nothing because there is nothing. It means this will be greater than this. Suppose we have 12.3 and 13.2. Okay. In this we have on left hand side, leftmost side, this is your 10th place. This is also 10th place. So we will start with 10th place. Both are 1. It means we have to move on to next one. Next one, ones place. In ones place this is 2, this is 3. Which one is greater? 3. It means this number is greater. No need to continue for other places. If we have, suppose one more example, 0.01, 0.001. Okay, we will start with leftmost place. Leftmost place, इसमें क्या है आपका ones. Here also ones. It means we will start with ones. Ones place, both are 0. It means we will move on to next. Next is 10th place. 10th place 0, 0. It means both are same. Move on to next one. Next one is your 100th place. 100th place, here it is 1. Here it is 0. Which one is greater? This one. It means this number is greater than this one. No need to continue for next place value. Okay. Second is, this was one of the methods of comparison. Second is, suppose we have 0.5 and 0.2 and we want to compare these two. What we will do? We will convert these decimals into fractions. So we will get 5 by 10 and here we will get 2 by 10. Okay, decimal remove किया. Decimal remove करने के बाद if we remove the decimal के place we will write 1, and if there are one number we will get 1 0, two numbers 2 0. So this will be 5 by 10 here 1 number 0. So it is 2 by 10. Now we will cross multiply. Cross multiply the denominators. It will be 5 into 10 and this will be 5 into 10. It is 50. It is 20. Which number is greater? 50. This one. It means the corresponding decimal number. Corresponding decimal number क्या था आपका? 0.5 and 0.2. It means corresponding decimal number is greater than this one. It implies 0.5 is greater than 0.2. Okay. We can do one more example. Suppose we have 1.2 and 12.3, sorry. Okay, 12.3. What we'll do, first step is remove the decimal. Decimal remove kiya. After decimal 10. Remove the decimal 10. Now we'll cross multiply 12 into 10 into 10. It is 120 and this is 1230. Which one is greater? This one. So 1.2 is less than 12.3. Similarly, we can solve more questions. Next is operations with decimal. Addition, multiplication, subtraction and division. For addition and subtraction, you have to keep in mind one small thing. After that, addition is, or both these operations are same as addition and subtraction of whole numbers. और point क्या है? We'll take an example and try to understand. Suppose you want to add 12.3 and 1.23. ठीक है? कैसे add करेंगे? Should we write it as this or should we write it as this? Okay. When you did addition and subtraction in whole numbers, आपने क्या किया था? Same place value numbers were put on upside and downside. ठीक है? Here देखो. In this case, this one is your ones place, this is your tens place, this is your ones place. It means you are doing something wrong. ठीक है? If you wanted to add 23 and 2, आप क्या करते थे? You will write 23 and 2 here. Ones place, you will write ones place below ones place. आप इस 2 को यहाँ तो नहीं put करेंगे ना? Ones place के नीचे ones place. Similarly, in decimals, you will not do this. You will write this was your ones place, tenth place, 100th place. Here it is nothing. It means it is 0. ठीक है? We will write decimals before decimals, below decimals. उसके बाद calculation will be very easy. Here it is nothing plus 3 plus 2 5 point. Then 2 plus 1 3 and 1. Your answer will be 13.53. We will take one more example. Zero point 0.011 और suppose 12.011. ठीक है? क्या करेंगे? You will write first number write किया आपने 0.11. Then you will write second number or whatever you are provided with. 12 point this. So first you will write decimal. Here on left hand side we have 12. On right hand side we have 0, 11. We will add nothing plus 1, 1, 2, 1. Then decimal 2 and 1. Similarly, we can perform subtraction. Subtraction means you have to remember that you have to place डेसिमल बिलो डेसिमल, उसके बाद subtraction will be same, rules will be same. Suppose we want to subtract 11.2 from 12.3. ठीक है, तो from this it means first we will write 12.3. We have to subtract what? 11.2. We write this decimal below decimal. 3 minus 2 1. Decimal 1 0. It means 1.1. If we had suppose this, ठीक है, 12.34 और maybe 2.34. ठीक है, 2.34. We will write this number first because you have to subtract this number from this. ठीक है, then we will write 11.2 decimal below decimal. Now we have to subtract. ठीक है, 4 minus nothing 4. 3 minus 2 1 decimal. 2 minus 1 1. And then 0 minus 1 minus 1. So we have minus 11.14. Next we will do multiplication and division with decimals. Here also we will try to understand using some example. Suppose I want to multiply 1.2 with 1.3 suppose. Okay, so what will I do? I will multiply. I will multiply as usual. So I will start with 3 6 this. Okay, ये आपकी usual multiplication होगी. Now what will we do with decimals? देखिए decimal के बाद we have how many numbers. We will count how many numbers are there after decimal. Decimal के बाद 1, decimal के बाद 1. It means 1 plus 1 we have 2. ठीक है, so we'll put decimal before two numbers 1 2. Here we will put decimal. Okay, or we have another method. What you can do is first convert these decimals into fractions. ठीक है, if we remove this decimal we will get 1 0. ठीक है, now this is same as multiplication with fractions. So what we will do, we will multiply the numerators divided by multiplying the denominators. So 12 into 30 divided by 10 into 10. 12 into 13 is 156. We just did earlier. 156 by 100. ठीक है, 100. तो how will we put decimal? 0 corresponding number is 6. 0 corresponding number is 5. So decimal कहाँ पे आएगा आपका? Here. So it will be 1.56. We can do one more example. Suppose I want to multiply 0.4 and 123. ठीक है, so I will convert these numbers into fractions. 4 by 10 and 123 1.23. It means 1 के बाद कितने zeros आएंगे आपके पास? You will have 2 zeros. ठीक है, now product of numerators 4 into 123 divided by product of denominators 10 into 100. Here 123 into 4 492 divided by 100 into 10 is thousands. ठीक है, now we will put decimal corresponding number 2, corresponding number 9, corresponding number 4. Then decimal कहाँ आएगा आपका? Before 4. So it will be 0.492, or because there is nothing before point, we can write 0. So answer will be 0.492. Similarly division में भी हम same करते हैं. We will convert the decimal into fraction and then proceed with same criteria what we did with division of fractions. So suppose we want to divide 1.4 by 0.7. ठीक है? It means we want to perform this operation, divide this by this. We will convert them into fractions. Divided by 0.7, it will be 7 by 10. ठीक है? ये आपका सेम हो गया. किसमें क्या करते थे आप? 14 by 10 मल्टीप्लाई के बाद जो आपके पास राइट हैंड साइड पे है डिवाइड सिंबल के बाद we will write reciprocal of this. Reciprocal of 7 by 10 and it will be 10 by 7. We will change numerator into denominator and denominator into numerator. Now we will perform cancellation. If we can do something, yes, we can cancel out 10 with 10. 7 1s are 7, 2, it means 2. So we have 2 as our answer. Okay. Now we will do some questions from our exercises. Exercise 2.5, question number 1. Which one is greater? We will start with part 1, 0.5 or 0.05. As you know, we have two methods to do this. We will do both of them. First is 0.5. We will do with place value comparison. Place value, आपका ones place we have same. ठीक है? We will move on to next, that is 10th place. 10th place is 5 and 0. So this number 0.5 will be greater than this number because this 10th place value is greater than this 10th place value. और हमें आगे करने की जरूरत नहीं है. No need to continue for further place values. Second is you will convert them into decimals, fractions. It will be 5 divided by 10 and this will be 5 divided by how many zeros? 1 के बाद you will have 2 zeros because 2 numbers. Now we will do cross multiplication. It is 5 into 100 or 5 into 10. We have 500. Here we have 50. Which one is greater? This one. It means that this number, this corresponding decimal is greater than this one. Okay? You can do any of them. Next is we will do one more part. Rest you can try. Suppose you want to compare fifth one, 2.03 or 2.30. Remove the decimal, we will get 203 divided by 100 or 230 divided by 100. We will do cross multiplication. 203 into 100 or 230 into 100. ठीक है? 203 00 और 230 00. ठीक है? So we will start with this one. We will start with leftmost. We have ones, tens, hundreds, thousand, 10,000, 10,000s. 10,000 here also we have 10,000. 10,000 place is same. Then next thousands place. 1,000 place here we have 0 and here we have 3. Means this number is greater than this number. It means corresponding decimal, that is 2.03 is less than 2.30. This one is greater. ठीक है? Question number 2 is you have to express as rupees using decimal. ठीक है. We all know that in 1 rupee you have how many पैसे? 100 पैसे. ठीक है. So first one is 7 पैसे. ठीक है. It means here we can also write कि 1 पैसे will be equal to 1/100 rupees. ठीक है. You have to remember this. Because 1 paise is 1/100 rupees, it means you can say that 7 paise, ठीक है, will be equal to 7 into this, or you can write directly, it will be 7/10, 7/100 sorry. Now we will write decimal. Decimal कैसे लिखेंगे आप? 7 will correspond to this. Here we will get decimal, so it will be 0.07. ठीक है. Here it will be rupees or like this. ठीक है. Next here second part. In second part we have combination of rupees and paises. We have second part. We have 7 rupee 7 paise. It means we have 7 rupees as well as 7 paise. 7 rupees we have to convert it into rupee. ठीक है. So it is already in rupee. We will convert this part into rupee and then we will add them. ठीक है. 7 rupee. ठीक है. Plus 7 paise. 7 paise as 1 paise is equal to 100, so it will be 1/100, 7/100 rupee. 7 plus 0.07 rupee. You can add 7 means 7.0. ठीक है. Now put decimal below decimal. Here it will be 707 decimal. So it will be 7.07 rupees. Similarly, we can do the other parts. Now we have question number 3. We have to convert centimeter into kilometer and meter. As we all know, 1 meter has 100 centimeter and 1 kilometer has 1000 meters, or we can say that 1 centimeter is equal to 1/100 meter and or 1 meter is equal to 1/1000 kilometer. 5 centimeter. ठीक है. 5 centimeter in meter. First we will convert in meter. ठीक है. In meter as 1 centimeter is equal to 1/100 meter. ठीक है. It means 5 centimeter will be 5/100. Now we will put decimal. Decimal will be 0.05 meters. In kilometers आपको पता है as we will use this answer. Otherwise हमको दोबारा करने की जरूरत नहीं है. As 1 meter is equal to 1/1000 kilometers. You can write this one or you can write this one. ठीक है. Both are same, but it will be comparatively easy. So you can write 0.05 meter equal to 5/100 meter is equal to. Now we will convert to kilometers. It will be 5/100 into 1/1000 किलोमीटर. न्यूमरेटर्स को मल्टीप्लाई किया 5, डिनोमिनेटर को मल्टीप्लाई किया 100,000 किलोमीटर. तो डेसिमल बिफोर डेसिमल कितना आएगा आपका 5, then 0, then 0, then 0, then 0 and then decimal. ठीक है. This will be your answer. ठीक है. Similarly, we can do second part. Question number 4. Question number 4 is you have to express in kilos. Quite easy. Question number 4, express in kilos. We know that in 1 kilo we have how many grams? Thousands. It means 1 gram is equal to 1 by 1000 kilos. ठीक है. Question number 4, 200 grams. ठीक है. 1 gram is equal to 1 by thousands kilograms. It means 200 gram will be 200 into 1 by thousands kilogram. We can cancel out zeros if you want to. Get 2 by 10 or 0.2 kilos. Third part, we will do third part also. In third part, we have 4 kilos 8 grams. 4 kilos and 8 grams. ठीक है. 4 kilos we have to convert it into kilos. ठीक है. 4 kilos plus 8 grams. ठीक है. समझ नहीं हुआ? Now we will convert 8 grams into kilograms as 1 gram is equal to this. So 8 grams will be 8 by thousands kilogram. It will be 0.800 point. ठीक है. This much kgs. So it will be equal to 4 kg plus 0.008 kgs, which will be equal to, ठीक है, ऐड करेंगे 4 means 4.0 and we have to write decimal below decimal. So it will be this 8004 decimal. So it will be 4.008 kgs. ठीक है. This is your answer. In next class we will continue with same exercise. We will do 7th, 8th and 9th question. Have a good day.